you can't be successful at trading if you are not an executor and a process-oriented individual, okay? When you enter the markets, you need a protection because they want your money. So to protect yourself, you have a plan. If you don't have a plan, the gambler's brain will show up and the markets will become a gigantic slot machine. And you don't want to do that. So you will need to undo you. Also, even if you learn to trade and you've been trading for 5 years and still not making money, you will still need to undo you, and even more. Because all that you learned almost must go to the garbage. Stop learning on how to trade. At some point, you learned enough. And like we were saying today in the YouTube show, stop learning on how to trade, start learning about yourself. It's an inside-out business. Maybe that's something you don't want to hear, but 80% of people lose their money and don't make it. Because they don't have a plan, because they bring their humanness into this, and because, that's my favorite part, it takes many years of suffering. Okay? And I talk like that per. It takes many years of suffering to become a successful trader. That's also why 80% of people don't make it. Because it is so freaking hard. It is the hardest way to make easy money. Put that somewhere in your brain. If you are 1 year in and you suffer and you're freaking out, guess what? You have more suffering to come. But it does get better. The suffering is different, okay? Because if you learn from your mistakes, it becomes, something else. But trading will always be kind of uncomfortable, okay? I was speaking with a trader. He was trading in the pit in Chicago, okay, a futures trader for the S&P 500, and he was never comfortable trading, okay? It's a hard job, but I will always remember what he said. He said it was never about the money, okay? If a trader with 40 years of experience say that, the guy was trading S&P 500, the most traded futures contract, okay? It's not about the money. Maybe he's right. And I know you hear that. It's the process. Trust the process. You will not trust the process in the beginning. You cannot. Because you're a normal human being, we don't trust stuff that we don't know. Right? So how do you build trust? You let the thing do its thing and you watch it. You see? You don't put yourself in the way. You just say, just do your thing and show me, should you be my strategy? And then after many repetitions, okay, one of the 3 ingredients, I will decide if I keep you as my strategy for the next 20 trades. Very important. Success in trading is taking mechanical decisions, automatic decisions, so that you don't have to take a different decision from trade to trade. You are just executing a plan. That's why I was saying that you don't need to be smart to place a trade. You need to be smart to analyze the markets, to draw your support, resistance, trend lines, whatever you use to make your story, to make your hypothesis for the day. You need your brain. You also need your brain to learn from your mistakes. Okay? You need your brain for that neuroplasticity, but you don't need to be smart to trade. And please, the more you're smart, the less you will have success. Because the more you think about what you're doing, the more you will get yourself into trouble. Again, if you ask Michael Jordan before he shoots, hey, how do you shoot the ball? Right? He's not gonna make it. Wait, what? I don't know how I shoot the ball anymore. I learned it. It's a habit now. So this is what your trading system should feel like. It's automatic. It's a habit. I don't need to think anymore. Yes, trading is suffering, even when you're profitable. Because, again, another curse, okay? When you start making money consistently, and when we say consistently, it means that we can still have 5 red days in a row, by the way, okay? So profitability is a complex concept, okay? The idea is, yes, we make more money than we lose, but it's like the time frame. It's a long-term thing, okay? So we are not tunnel vision on a day-to-day, trade-to-trade basis. And the curse for the trader is that almost every trade will not be quite perfect, you know? Oh, the profit target was too far away, was too close, my stop was maybe too tight, or like there's always something. Okay, we see the price go without us, we took profit already, the thing just goes so far away without us. It's always gonna cost us something to place a trade. So we need to be ready to have the plan, so whatever the market throws at us, we are protecting our assets, okay? 99%, okay, this number. So we said that about 80%, according to brokers' reports, about 80% of people that put money in a brokerage account are losing money more than win money, okay? So this is another very important number. About 99% of people that struggle in trading struggle not because of psychology, okay? They struggle because they don't have a damn plan. So before you buy yourself 50 trading psychology books, and mine is coming, okay? Start by asking yourself, do I have a recipe for this? If the answer is no, don't bother psychology. And don't bother sim trading, because sim trading is trading. First, I know we talked about that, it sucks, but if it sucks, it's because it's too complex. Your strategy is too complicated. Okay, if we have 5 minutes at the end and you want me to show you, I can show you my trade book plan, okay? Very simple. Takes me 5 minutes to write it down. But that's a sign. Maybe what you're doing is too complicated. Yes, simple. Simplicity is what you need. Simplicity is sexy. I really like this quote. I love many quotes by Tom Hogarth. But this one represents exactly what I'm trying to present to you today. Which brain are you listening to? The normal way of thinking will get you a lot of trouble. If you're stubborn, it will be so painful. The faster you understand that you need to follow a bunch of rules without saying anything about it, without doing anything other than that, the faster it will go for you to make money. Okay? Don't bring your wonderful self in the markets. Stay yourself outside of them. So like I was saying, it is highly possible that you will need to forget almost everything you know. It's a new era for your brain. Trading is full of paradox. It's the biggest paradox. We come in for the money, yet it's the last thing we should have on our minds. Money brings the gambler's mindset on. Money makes you trade emotionally. So I'm here, okay? I'm here. I came to trading because of this. We all do, and that's okay. I get it. That's normal. But now you just need to switch doors. And there's more money behind this door. Slow, steady, methodical, mechanical wins in trading. Bonjour Market Alchemist. Thank you so much for being here and watching this video. We've come to the end of this episode, but your journey doesn't stop here. Make sure to watch the next video in the series and don't forget to like and subscribe.